Why don't you tell us, all three of you, Tarun, Ravi and Alpan, what happened? Tarun, you start first. I know that you contacted me last week desperate for amphotericin and I could not help you. I tried through government, they were struggling. You tell us your experience first, Tarun.
We've been looking for this injection for like more than a week, but in spite of all the best efforts and reaching out to like all the government departments and also to many, known influential people, we tried everything that we could, but we were not able to source the injections because the government was just not being able to provide the injections to the hospital. So it's been, I think, since the requirement came, it's been about 10 days, but till date, we don't have the injections. And now what has happened is, in the meantime, the course of now the course of treatment has changed, and we don't need these injections anymore. So,
but when you needed it, you could not get it. When you needed it last week, you tried everyone, you tried all your contacts, and no one was able to get you this medicine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nobody.
Ravi Kumar, you actually told me an interesting story. I contacted you through Twitter and you told me that you were being forced through various people, including possibly those linked to hospitals, to actually pay 20,000 for one vial. Am I correct? Mr. Ravi Kumar? Ravi, I think you're on mute. Can you hear me? Okay, we'll try and come back to Ravi in a moment because he seems to be on mute. But in the meantime, Alpan Patel, you tell us the story कि क्या हुआ आपके brother-in-law को जब उनको इस तरह की black fungus हुई, क्या परेशानी हुई, किस तरह से मेडिसिन नहीं मिल रहा है?
May 13 से नहीं मिल रहा था और उनके उसके पहले actually we have to struggle for around 6 to 7 days just to get in bed in the hospital.
Okay.
और जैसे जैसे कोई कॉन्टेक्ट लगा के हमने बेड मिला और ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट हुई, फिर May 13 से हमको इंजेक्शन नहीं मिल रहे थे और डॉक्टर्स लोग भी बहुत ट्राई कर रहे थे इंजेक्शन के लिए, बट उनसे भी नहीं हो पा रहा था. और जब से ये गुजरात गवर्नमेंट ने जो मेडिसिन जो इंजेक्शन कंट्रोल कर लिए थे, उसके बाद इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ कि राउंड अबाउट हमको अराउंड 15 डेज तक कोई भी या इंजेक्शन या फिर पिल कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहे थे. इन स्पाइट ऑफ हमने लोकल कलेक्टर से भी कांटेक्ट किया, उनके पीए से बात की, लोकल एमएलए से बात की, बट वो लोग एक ही चीज बता रहे थे कि आप जो ईमेल आईडी दिया गया है उस पे पेशेंट से प्रिस्क्रिप्शन और वो सब मेल कीजिए, हम डायरेक्टली हॉस्पिटल को प्रोवाइड करेंगे. हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट अराउंड डॉक्टर ने जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिया था वो 50 इंजेक्शन का था, 50. और अभी जस्ट 2-3 दिन पहले हमको 17 इंजेक्शन प्रोवाइड किए गवर्नमेंट ने. वो भी जो माइलैंड और ग्लैंड फार्मा के जो डॉक्टर ने प्रिस्क्राइब किए थे वो तो अवेलेबल हुए ही नहीं हमको अभी तक, बट कोई लोकल इंडियन मेड कोई कंपनी के थे वो, और 2 पेशेंट के बीच में हम लोग शेयर कर रहे हैं.
Two patients are sharing the medicines. You had asked for, you needed 50 vials, you only got 17. Ravi, you can hear us now. You're not on mute, I hope. Can you tell us your story?
Hey, Rajiv, good evening. Can you?
Yes, go ahead.
Rajiv, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So let me take a step back. So one of my relative was a corona patient. So he started developing the swollen eyes, and one right side was paralyzed. So we immediately took him to an hospital where they said like, okay, they see the symptoms of black fungus, got us the MRI and the CT scan done. Post that they said like, okay, they refer to one of the reputed hospital. The reputed hospital again they said like, okay, we need to buy on our own the amphotericin B vials, and like the estimation was around 25 lakhs. So this was post the corona treatment, and they said like, we don't have enough, so you will have to source it from your known contacts.
No, so how
we-
much were they charging per vial? You're saying that the entire treatment was going to cost you 25 lakhs?
Yeah, the entire treatment, the estimation that they shared us, because it was 7,600 per VL,
Right.
with the GST. And so we reached out to multiple people on social media and social platforms. Here we got a contact who shared us on WhatsApp the picture and the complete invoice details, all that. So, and initially he said like since it was not available in the market, we had to pay a premium. So initially he quoted 25K per VL. So then since we wanted like in a huge volume, the volume was more, we requested him, and then again the time was running out here because the doctor said like immediately we'll have to get that, otherwise the chances are like even the brain may be impacted. The nerve which is connecting to the brain may be paralyzed. So that was the criticality. So finally we negotiated to 20,000. That's what we negotiated. and paid him.
You paid Ravi 20,000 for a VL that was costing as per MRP around 7,000.
7,500, 600, yeah.
So
That's the-
7,500 you had to negotiate with a third party, and the hospital knew about this.
Hospital, like, okay, they said they didn't have that, but I got the contact through one of their, again, like, not the doctor, but again, they have some network, so to them. We reached out to multiple people on social media, social network, and time was running out. We had lost 2 days. So finally, then they said, okay, just try some source, and then they referred us.
So you-
through one of the contacts, we were able
So
to contact.
you paid 20,000 for 7,000. Tarun Makar, you struggled and did not get the medicine at all for a week. Am I correct?
Yeah, yeah.
You didn't get it from anywhere. You tried, I know you
Well,
tried
it was-
VVIP contacts. Nobody was able to source it for you. What did the government say?
We couldn't. The government was not even responding to the hospital as to when we will get the injections, or even if we will get it or not. Rightly, it is available in the black market, ranging from 15,000 to 25,000 anywhere. But there is no, authenticity whether it is original or not. So if you buy it from the black market, you are actually putting your patient's life at risk, because if it's not original, then it can harm the patient.
Right. These are the shocking stories that are coming in. As you've seen, we've done an investigation on the ground, and here are three